In this video, I will show you how to check your hard disk performance in Ubuntu using the terminal. This will help you understand how fast your disk is when reading data. Let's start by opening the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now, we need a tool called hdparm. This tool lets us test the speed of the hard disk. First, we install it. Type this command and press Enter. Sudo apt update. Then type sudo apt install hdparm. Enter your password if asked and let it finish installing. Now, we need to know the name of your hard disk. To do that, type lsblk. You will see a list of devices. Look for your main disk. In most cases, it is called SDA. We will test this disk. Now, we run the test. Type this command showing on the screen. Make sure to replace SDA if your disk has a different name. After running the command, you will see two results. The first one shows the cached read speed. This is the speed of your system memory. The second one shows the buffered disk read speed. This is the real speed of your hard drive. This is how you check hard disk performance in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thank you for watching this tutorial.